Hey guys, it's just a little experiment I did to see how fast the Mini Baja would be without the jackshaft. I replaced the 10-tooth sprocket with a 20-tooth sprocket, as you can see here. So they're both the same size, which is pretty much the same as just removing the jackshaft and going right to clutch to back sprocket. There's the old one, and there's the new one. Let's see how much difference in speed it makes. So as you can see, the bottom end is pretty much gone. Takes a while to get going, but there's definitely way more top end. Still do some off-roading with it. You just have to get going, or else you'll just burn the clutch. You're not going to be able to do any climbing or anything like that with this kind of setup. Just flat roads or flat-ish terrain. If you watched my previous video of the top speed run of this, the max speed was 54 kilometers an hour. So it's a big difference, 54 to 85 kilometers an hour. But you sacrifice most of your bottom end, which makes it not good for off-roading and stuff. So I went right back to the old setup after I did this experiment, because bottom end's more useful to me than top end on this bike.